This is Ellie from Florida SEO Pro. In this quick video, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks you can start to utilize and to have you bring more customers to your business by access your website more. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is your website. Just scanning through, I like that you have your click-to-call phone number here. That truly helps with quick conversions. You have images and content. One thing with Google is that they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition and the number of keywords on a homepage. A keyword is anything someone may type in Google looking for a particular product or service. So on your content, you can intentionally place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found when people are searching for it. All your pictures can be considered a content, so recommend saving those as a keyword. I went ahead and I inserted your website into a tool we call Ahrefs. It just gives us a basic analytical view of your site. The first thing that you look at is the UR and the DR. That means the power and the trust that you have with Google. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is considered a strong site. So if it's on the lower end and you realize some of these tips, you help to boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now you have 35 backlinks coming from 15 refined domains or websites. A backlink is when you find one website linked to another via an anchor text. These links act like an endorsement of your site from others, which Google should be trusting your business by seeing others vouching for you. Currently, you are indexed for 615 keywords and getting about 52 hits to your website a month. Let's take a look at your. It looks like people are searching for a business name in particular. And they're great local by intent keywords. And those are the kind of the ones that we inquiry about. The local by intent keywords target the location and the service that you provide in those locations. So you can clearly realize the foreign location that you service. In comparison, I went ahead and inserted mechanics in your area in Google. What you see here is what we call the map pack, and down here it's what we call the organic listing. Ultimately, you want to be in the map pack is just because the top 3 searches on Google result page receive 75% of the clicks. In other words, if a business appears near the top of the results, it's more likely that a researcher interacted your business by clicking on your URL, dialing your listed phone number, or getting directions to your business. And there are the citations. A citation is in your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per Google Business Profile. Those are then placed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. I went ahead and I pulled up a competitor's website. They have their click-to-call phone number here, make an appointment tab, some images, and some content. I inserted them into the same tool. They're getting about 441 hits to their website a month. They have 1.3K backlinks coming from 192 referring domains. In the long run, you want to match them and beat them for at least 100. Let's take a look at their keywords. Looks like people are also searching for their business name in particular. And they have a bit of local by intent keywords. And they're all keywords can realize in different areas that you service. In conclusion, there's a higher percent of people that don't scroll past the first page of Google. You surely want to be in those top sites. Now, implement this strategy. A few ways you can start claiming Google and get the first page. I hope you found this video very educational. If you have any questions, just let us know. We look forward to hearing from you. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.